it's your girl, Porchia Nicole, and I'm back with another video. Y'all, this morning will be a travel vlog, as y'all seen from the title. We're getting ready to go to Costa Rica for Jennifer's birthday. So I'm in Houston right now. I'm actually not on the same flight as them. My flight is like hours before them. But yeah, so I'm gonna meet them in Costa Rica, and it's time for me to actually get ready to go, because I was supposed to be leaving at the house about 5:15, and it's like 5:14. It's 5:13 right now, so it's time for me to go. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see, this is what I have on. I'm gonna show y'all in my granny bathroom what I got on. But yeah, so let's go. Let's get ready. It's gonna be an awesome weekend. We're gonna have so much fun. It's just, I'm so ready because I haven't been on a trip since last year, like October. So it's time. All right, so this is what I'm wearing. This is just a little throw-on outfit. I got on my Pumas. I got on this Amazon jumper, and then I got this little cover up from Forever 21 yesterday, because I was like, because Jennifer said that we was gonna be hiking, and so I was like, oh well, let me cover up my arms. And so then I noticed, like, wait a minute, the outfit that she said we can hike in, I'm gonna wear that to the airport. So baby, if y'all see this again sometime in the trip, mind your business. But yes, this is the fit for the airport, and we about to get ready to go. Bye. Alright, y'all, I'm in the car. I don't know if y'all can hear me because it's kind of loud in here. The AC is kind of loud, but I am in the transport getting ready to get transported to the Airbnb. I gotta tell y'all everything that's like been transpired or whatever. Reasons why no one else is in the car with me, but they probably gonna tell y'all on their vlogs too. But I'm actually rolling by myself right now, and I won't actually see the girls till like 9 o'clock tonight. But I'm on my way to the Airbnb anyway, so y'all pray for me. I mean, by this time, if y'all seeing this, then I made it out, okay? But I'm gonna talk to y'all more when I get to the Airbnb. I'm just trying to be real vigilant right now and watch, okay? Because I need to know if I gotta put my padded joke in order to run up out of here, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to the Airbnb, okay? Alright, y'all, so they brought us to Crocodile Bridge, and you can see all the crocodiles. They're huge. And I also got me an empanada and some chicken. And the chicken is really good. Like, the chicken was good. Alright, y'all, so I just arrived to the Airbnb, and I'm going to show y'all what it looks like. It's really very pretty out here. So yeah, welcome to the Airbnb. So I ain't coming back, I ain't going all the way down these stairs, but you come up these stairs. This is pretty much the lookout from the stairs. And then as you're coming up the stairs, here is the pool area. So then you come into the house. And this is the living room, pretty much. Dining area, island. I feel like this used to be a pool or something right here, and then they covered it up. The lookout of the pool again, the living room, another patio. And then you come down the hallway, and these are the rooms. So you have 4 rooms, and then, so they all pretty much look alike. I'm not really going to go into like the different rooms and stuff like that. I'll just give y'all a sneak peek at the rooms. Okay. I have went through and turned on all the air in the room so the girls can be cool when they get here. And then this takes you upstairs. It's nothing up there though. I did go out there, and then it's also a bathroom back there, but yeah, it's hot back there. I need to go make sure this other patio door is locked though. So I went through and checked all the closets. Made sure all the patio doors were locked. Let me make sure that one's locked. Okay. So yeah. This one got a patio door? No. Let me see. No. Okay. The hell was that? The hell? Child, I don't know what that is. Yeah, this is the Airbnb. So, yeah. Gonna take my bags to the room. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Y'all, it is really hot up here though, because this is like open, it's not really closed, and it's so humid that it's extremely hot in the front. I don't see us sitting up here. Even though the AC is on, I don't see it. Like, I kind of want to sit in my room, but then I don't want to sit in the room because I need to be able to see. I feel like they should have had put another like AC like over here. Is what should have happened. But yeah, this is the room. I mean, this is the Airbnb. What's up, y'all? I'm still here waiting on all the girls to get here. It is 10:05 now. I've been in here damn near 9 hours in this same spot, and this couch ain't moved because it's kind of dark and it's a little bit scary out. Okay, you can't even see anything. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done talking, but they should be pulling up within like the next, hour or whatever. So I can't wait because child, being up here in these woods and these mountains on top of this thing with all this everything making noise and everything is a little intense. So I can't wait till everybody get here. Yeah, this is it. In the dark, you can't really see anything. You can see the pool though, but you can't see nothing far out. So just waiting on people to get here. They're here, finally. The girls are here. The girls are here. The girls are here. The girls are here. Who's she? Up the stairs. Yeah. Him. Yeah, the fuck y'all paid him for. So pretty. Welcome. Welcome to the crib.
Guess who was with us? Now y'all know.
Welcome to the crib.
Welcome to the crib. Oh my goodness, this is so good.
Welcome to the cribs.
What she been saying?
And then welcome to the crib. Welcome to the crib. She talking about you been scared in here. Hell yeah, I've been right. I ain't left this area so big. Okay, come on.
Just walk into the room.
Right here. It's too big to put a shoe on it. You see that motherfucker?
Who the fuck gonna put that cup on it? Okay, well,
That's why I said that bowl.
it's gonna be a shoe with the shoe.
Step on him, Jen.
Jennifer, he's too big to beat with a shoe.
I'm gonna throw the shoe at it.
He gonna
I'm
run.
telling you, I knew to bring some rain. That's not a spider.
What is it?
You gotta step on it.
Put the bowl on top of
We
it.
are all in distress here.
What the fuck?
What is it?
And what y'all. You was the last one. Cause what happened was you was the last one that made it up, and she picked the room.
No, Gina.
Cause this Jennifer and Tyrone, cause it's big.
Okay, don't.
Okay, what are we doing?
Step on it.
Smack it from around. I can't even step on a rope, so I damn sure.
Okay, wait.
Okay, wow. Okay, go. Wait for when?
No, I don't know why she said wait. Get the goddamn spider.
Can y'all just please
Okay.
because y'all are scaring me. Y'all make me more nervous.
What? Okay.
Girl, close this fucking door.
What? I'm trying to tie.
You want to close your door?
Ty, if I step on it, you pick it up.
Yeah. You gonna step on it? I thought you were picking it up. Okay, just
I don't think that pie don't work.
Close to kill. This will work. Okay.
Oh, that's not towel in there. That's plastic shit, so that'll be fine.
It might be big. One.
That bitch ain't there because it wasn't.
Is there? We're gonna pick the pot up.
Ty, mash the pie on him. Mash it on him. Don't pick it up.
I'm mashing it. Jennifer, I'm sorry. No, you have my phone. You gotta stay still. Okay, I'm about to pick it up. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, it said.
You the nurse. Bitch, I'm a nurse of people.
Be a nurse of bugs.
No, I'm not a better.
I'm not a veterinarian.
You said you.
You
Okay.
You are registered nurses. You are picking it up.
I stepped on him.
I mashed him down.
But no,
Where's the broomstick?
And she in the military. Portia, get the fire.
You in the military, you trained.
I don't do bugs. We got guns.
Can you get the pot?
He dead, baby.
Why is I'm gonna follow you?
Okay, he dead.
Okay.
It's a piece of him on.
Okay, I'm gonna wash the pot.
I'm gonna wash the pot.
Okay, I'm trying to put the other piece in the trash can. All right, y'all. I can finally get in the shower and cool down since everyone is here. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm actually super tired. I had wanted to take a nap like all day, really, but baby, I wasn't going to sleep. So I'm about to get ready to take my shower, and then I'll talk to y'all before I get ready. Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Saturday. We're here in the beautiful Costa Rica and sitting inside of Luxary. Where we at, y'all?
Costa Rica. Jocko,
Costa Rica. Everyone is up in here. But yeah, y'all, I just want to tell y'all that they sent me here on a solo mission. Yeah, they sent me here on a solo mission, and I was literally here by myself for hours. So scared. Y'all ever seen the movie 13 Ghosts? That's what I thought I was in last night. I was like, these damn mirrors about to start sliding into rooms. Like, it was. You gotta watch it. Do you watch scary movies?
Not really.
I don't watch scary movies either, but for some reason I watched 13 Ghosts. That's what that was real old. And that's what this reminded me was, y'all. I just laid in this corner scared.
the guy that plays more.
But now we're here.
But now they're here. And my mom called this morning. She was like, turn up. I know y'all ain't still asleep. It's time to turn up now. I'm like, we up. The chef is here.
You know how it's like
Chef, I forgot her name, but she's here.
So he kinda like
Chef Carrie's here. Hey. She's making us some breakfast over there, whipping it up.
It's crazy. So he get a little something in case
But yeah,
break out for somebody.
I think we have to get ready because we're going to a waterfall. I'm gonna bring me some shampoo and conditioner so I can wash my hair.
Girl, bye.
But yeah, it's gonna be a lovely day. All the lovely ladies are here, and it's time to turn up. Like, we are dressed. We're in the vehicle. We're about to get ready to go to a waterfall. I'm dressed. I did not show y'all my outfit because, baby, it was just a lot. I kept switching. I didn't know.
You can write me your email or give you the receipt, send you the receipt.
All right, y'all. So we got a hike. We going bye-bye. We got a hike. Apparently, the hike is 3 hours long. 3.5 hours long. And here are the girls. Yeah, don't forget to have. So, oh hell no! I've been and fell in the water trying to follow your ass.
I was trying to.
Hell no! Her ass trying to walk on the goddamn rock. Hey, y'all, so it's 10:48. Let me get the fuck down. To the no, hell to the no, y'all.
Hell no.
All right. Y'all, we just had to walk through a puddle of water already. Child, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. So the whole thing in total up and down is 3 hours?
3 hours and a half.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, I'm thinking we had to go 3 hours there.
No.
Y'all ain't say that.
No, it's 3 hours. 3 hours and a half total.
No, he just said it's not.
Well, I thought he said 3.5 hours and 15 minutes down.
It is 3.5 hours for the whole.
The whole thing.
3.5 hours.
So going up there to 10. So how long is it to 10?
2 hours.
Okay.
2 hours.
I mean that's still long, but
Yeah, that is
okay.
still long.
But that's
2 hours.
an hour and a half off of it. All right, y'all.
I got that.
30 minutes into the walk, and got my water, and we're ready. At 30 minutes, doing fine. It's like almost hiking, like in the army, but without all that gear. So since I don't have all that gear, no weapon and none of that, it ain't that bad. It's pretty easy so far. Y'all, look at this hill. Oh my God.
This is one of the roughest ones. But we're not gonna
Ooh. See this? This little hike dip. Child. Y'all side up. Let's go.
Well, she didn't tell us. The lady didn't tell Jennifer.
Trust me, this was definitely not
All right, y'all. So this is our first little making our way to the little walkway. No, the first little.
This is not too bad?
No.
No.
No, it's not like that first one.
Kind of like this.
Oh, damn.
Oh my God.
Wait a goddamn minute. Oh, it's some stairs around here.
You want to try this?
Huh?
This is called begonia. This we used to make it on salad.
You eat it? I don't want to eat it.
It's pretty savory.
I don't want to eat it.
try
No
it.
leaf?
Pretty savory. These contain more vitamins than orange.
Ooh, watch.
citrus.
Ooh. It tastes good.
one of them branches
Right?
ain't connected. I want to make sure you get jammed down.
Y'all had like 15 ants on my ankle.
Oh my God.
You're scared to feel?
Oh my God.
All right, y'all. So we're going across this little bridge. Oh, wait a minute. Incoming traffic. Wait, he got a dog too. Oh, hey, doggy. Hey, doggy. All right, y'all. So I'm leading the pack. Everything is a-okay so far. Choo. Just moving my way downtown, walking fast. Dun, 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 dun. That's the first waterfall, but it's for the locals. So we had our first little stopping point. Well, this ain't our first stopping point, but we just study making our way through. I'm actually feeling pretty good because, like I said, this is always easier than the shit that we do in the army. So we ain't got no weapon, no rucksack, no gear. So I just gotta pull my own body weight. So it's actually been all right. It's just like a lot of steep hills. They like, you just gotta watch your step, cause baby, if you fall, you gone. That's our tour guide. I think one of them is getting lightheaded or something. So we're gonna take a break so they can sit and we can take a chill pill, relax, regroup, get a little water. On our way to Waterfall 1. It was supposed to take us like 30 minutes to get to Waterfall 1. It's been over an hour and 10 minutes. But I hear it, and I think we're only gonna walk to 1 and then we're gonna turn around and go back. I don't think everyone can make it to, I don't think everyone can make it to all the other waterfalls, which is fine with me because, baby, it's hot. I'm fine either way. Don't matter to me. I got my Stanley Cup. Still got my ice in there. Y'all better get y'all a Stanley. Still got me some ice. We made it to waterfall number 1. And then I'm gonna show it to y'all. We're here, child. We here. All right, y'all. We're here.
We're here.
We made it. We made it, y'all. The girls did so good.
30 minutes. I don't know about
You
so
so
good.
sweet.
You are so sweet because I can play this.
Yeah. So like y'all don't hike every damn day, you know? I feel like you did good.
Thank you, Portia.
I feel like you did good.
Yeah, baby.
Oh!
That was for camera purposes, I hope. They stand here, they not going up there.
Some of they
I should have told them there ain't nobody tired. Yeah, we definitely need the fucking water. I definitely need my shoes.
Do it. Woo!
It dropped down a little bit, but I feel like we can stand up. Stand up so we can see. Oh, that's standing up. Is he taller than you? Oh, I'm not gonna go. Are you taller than him,
Wait,
Gina?
stay right there. So Jimmy, you can get
Oh, I can go right there. Yeah.
Okay.
Apparently, the good waterfalls are at like 5 through 10, but we're not gonna make it to those. We passed waterfall number 2. I think me and Ty is gonna walk up to waterfall number 3, which is over there, and then after that we're gonna be done. We're gonna come back down. Number 3. Yeah, but you gotta get that rope right there to get to the next. Look, to get to the next thing. Yes. Oh my God, that's such a pretty picture.
I want you to play, yeah. Tell me now, I need
feeling? How was the feeling?
It was fun. All right, child, let's go. So we're getting ready to head back down. You know, it was good. I went to Waterfall 3 just so I could see it, you know. Look, y'all, look how deep, how far that goes way down there. Like, it don't look that deep down, but it goes way down there. So now we're going back. We're going back down so we can go back. Something was crawling on me. We're just waiting on the girls to catch up so we can get the fuck up.
I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war?
Welcome, my people.
Girl, bye.
To the land of awesome.
A land of awesome.
Only for you.
Yeah, let me out. Do you have ice up there? Huh? No ice?
No, only water.
Oh, can I have some water, please?
Is it cold?
The water is for $2.
Right.
That's fine.
Yeah, is it cold? Oh, step back.
What?
Is it cold? Cold. So this is our taxi ride.
There we go here. And this is the...
That's the handle.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Foot
Hold on.
here.
Wait 1 second. Hold that.
Here.
Okay. Yeah, because you got to get us there first. You got some snacks in there? You ain't got no food.
You got no food.
Yeah, I know. Hell, you should have brought some damn food.
You got no damn food.
I see chips. You done ate them all.
You like.
Yeah, this ain't we leaning to the left or something. Come over. Okay, be careful when you get over. Oh, yeah, we leaning.
Hold on.
Oh, fuck, though. Oh, wait a goddamn minute.
Okay, right now. Go.
Oh, yeah. They ain't really fucking with us because we do this shit. Yo.
Barely.
Yo. We do this. Y'all ain't really fucking with Bob the Builder and motherfucking Dora the Explorer and Diego and Swiper, no swiping. Backpack. Alright, we just got the cocoa bar. About to get us a little food after that damn hike. Ciao.
You on the Wi-Fi too?
And I'm on Wi-Fi.
I'm gonna try this small.
So, is your thing on? Your airdrop?
We got some mai tacos. Mai tacos. They smell good. It's good though. This is really good too. This shrimp ceviche. I just gotta find out where's my avocado. We're out at the beach. We just finished eating, y'all. I am ready. We're at the beach.
Oh Lord, they done completely failed in the damn water. How many times we get? Look at them, and it's recording too. Look at them, girl. Her whole leg's gonna come off. Gina, get up! How much is this? How much you charge? Look, Todd, look. I can't afford. How much?
Okay,
Gina, what the hell happened?
I wasn't prepared. I didn't know this was ready.
I only want half the time. So
Hey.
Okay, Sag.
dirty this shit is. I'm about to, girl, that sand at that beach. I'm about to wash my hair. Because it was a lot going on, to be honest. But I'm about to get in and wash my hair, turn on this rain shower. And yeah, and try to get all this sand out of here. Look at my feet. Look at the color of my feet to my ankles, y'all. Here it is. It's this two-piece that is lace. It's actually see-through, but I got like some little heart pasties on, if you can see. And then it's like lace green. But yeah, it's dark out here. But this is it. It's wide leg pants. Trying to show y'all. It's like wide leg pants. But yeah, this is the fit. Now, y'all, they took us to a brothel. Well, she wanted to go to the casino. But when we was walking up to the casino, we was seeing like little girls, they ain't got no clothes on, like everywhere. I said, what is going on around here? Child, why it's a brothel and a casino together, child, where the men can buy the women. And we ain't just saying this because the women was naked. Ty asked one of the damn girls. She was like, what's going on? She was like, oh yeah, you know, it's legal here or whatever. The policia, they don't care. It's like 200, 300, whatever a night. Child, the girl told me, she was like, you can get 500. I said, y'all, let's get the fuck up out of here expeditiously. Yeah, we finna go home. But, hey.
We have club bar. You wanna see it?
I'm sleeping now. I'm ready to go. Child, it's time to go. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Karen came back to redeem herself. Yeah. I'm gonna get Jennifer her birthday gift. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, cause I wasn't invited to the dinner, so I had to bring it here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Happy birthday, bitch. Turning 43. Yeah, we just got to the monkey area. We're going to go see the monkeys. Haha. Very exciting to see the monkeys. One damn second.
Steps, guys. Step by step. Watch your steps and your head. See the boat tight to get the balance of the boat.
You got this. You got it. Oh, whoa.
We teeter-totter, we rocking and rolling.
Right.
Let's go.
Jennifer, get in the boat.
Catherine, you want your water, baby?
Get in the boat, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Look at the beds.
Here, you gotta look down.
Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
They might get close to you. Okay.
He come. He ready. We got action.
Are they trying to get away?
Ooh.
They know him.
Oh, they know
They
him.
know him.
They like you.
They know him.
Yeah.
Put your hand up. Put your hand. Turn around.
Everyone's taking a photo.
I know, I love it.
If we don't get one, we sorry. We got your son.
Right.
Sorry.
She doesn't want to go?
She don't want to go.
Okay.
Go, Jennifer. Oh, Gina gonna go. Gina got two. She finna get another one.
Get some vodka. Get some Cheetos. Yeah, it's good, ain't it?
I know, it's cute.
Oh, the monkey took Gina's drink, and he is up there having a field day. Why he's wasting it? He is,
just wasted it.
but he drinking it.
Girl, he would go for her hair.
I'm gonna go next.
Oh, he got monkey ass.
Monkey butt in your face. Yeah. Do you want to wait?
Yes, please. Thank you. Also, what are the monkeys?
Girl, he literally got his butt in her face.
Oh, JC back. I was eating a paper towel from my cup.
Dang, what the heck?
I'm trying to see.
That's so weird.
Okay.
Why they
Still
eat?
recording.
Oh,
You got it.
okay.
That was good.
Okay.
Here he comes. He coming. 1, 2, 3. Embrace yourself. Here he comes, and boom. Oh, and there he goes.
One more time.
Get it on you.
You had a buddy as a monkey. Sit right there.
I held his hand. You ain't getting away from me that fast. Okay.
I kind of like this.
Yeah, we just got to the Xoxo sign. It's up there. We're gonna all go get us some photos and some pictures, and then we're gonna head out back to the Airbnb. Look at the water. It's so pretty. Woohoo! All right, y'all, here's our food. The little buffalo sauce was good. I just tasted it. Yeah, it's like whole wings or something. I don't know. Yeah. I was gonna put some pasties on, so don't worry about it. I was supposed to be wearing this jumpsuit, and y'all, why is the hole in the back? So I can't even wear it, but it's so cute. It would have been so cute, but I have to change.
Cheers to long life. Yeah, long life. Long life. Yes. Many more trips around the sun. Many more trips and memories.
Genuine friendships.
Yes.
Trips that come out the group chats.
Yes. That put hair on your chest.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Via de amor.
You used to live in a certain life. It's over. Made that coochie breathe. We leaving the club, y'all. Yeah, I've been sucking at vlogging. Y'all know. Shit, y'all know. I'm usually really good at my travel vlogs, but I've been sucking this time. So, but y'all will get a little something.
Sorry, man.
God damn, I ain't got hit. I just got hit. I just got hit. You better call. I just got hit.com. Okay.
When you getting in the front with us or where?
Well, I'm in the where? Let me see.
One in the back.
6.
Two in the back, two in the Portia, you gonna go in the middle? Cause
Oh, okay.
You want me to drive you in the middle?
No, I can come back here with you if you. Okay. Shit. Hold on. What my feet stuck on?
What's wrong? Shit. What happened?
I said, get that rump roll stuff in there. She started making that clap. I'm sorry.
This the second time you done said some shit.
I didn't mean to.
Girl, she took my toe off before my whole day.
It's dangerous in the
Portia,
tank.
let me see your toe.
Huh?
Where your toe?
It's
It's still intact?
yeah.
Okay, it's still intact.
Yeah. It's throbbing. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm ready.
I got some
This the second time you did me like that, remember?
And what's
I'm ready.
Houston?
I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what city was
Oh, Lord, let me make sure I get in
Mucho
good.
gusto.
You almost
Mucho
took my
gusto.
toe off. Me and Martina, I like
Mucho
it.
gusto.
number 11.
I say let I am so greasy. And I enjoyed it.
Mucho dinero.
But tonight has come to
Mucho
an
money.
Mucho
A
dinero.
lot of money.
Mucho caliente.
What's hot?
Muy bien. Me llamo Portia.
Wait, my name Portia? Very good.
Mucho expensive. Mucho dinero.
Got the cab, y'all.
All the words come
Whatever come to mind.
Your phone's dead.
Y'all.
Phone's dead.
Mucho gusto. Rastafari.
No, bitch, not Rastafari. I'm about to.
Mucho dinero.
Oh yeah, we need mucho dinero.
Caliente. Guadalupe.
Not Guadalupe.
I'm hungry.
Caliente.
Put your chicken strips in the microwave.
Not put your chicken strips in my
She ain't gonna eat them.
Give me a little salsa.
You want half of the
salsa verde?
total? I mean the good.
Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Let that coochie breathe.
Bend that ass
Over.
Make that coochie breathe.
Did you spike your heels?
I was gonna get a Portia count, but down when you break. Who's nipple cover? Where's nipple cover? And look how she laughing. She don't know what wrong with the nipple.
All right, y'all, we're leaving. Look at Gina Weena. Gina Weena.
48 hours.
It was so
48
fast,
hours.
and especially since we missed Friday.
We had 48 hours. You had about 58 hours.
But I ain't do shit. I was scared on the couch in the corner right there the whole 9-10 hours. So, yeah. But yeah, we're leaving the spot. Me llamo Porchia.
Porchia.
Yeah.
Yo me llamo Víctor.
Okay.
Porchia.
Oh, what's
Wait, Portia got both of them?
Yeah.
Come on, Cream.
Why she keep talking about you want to try this right here? What? What is it? I don't know. This right here. It's wrapped up in thread. Y'all, Gina got me up in this stuff. Look like cake with chocolate on it. Oh,
You got a bean on it or something? Is that bean?
soft. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees.
Separated. Shopping. We leaving pink. Pusha leaving us. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, watch. Let's see what Ghost talking about.
Hey, Gussie. Hey, Stinker Winker.
Hey, okay. Shut up now.
Hey, Mama Stinker. Hey, Mama Stinker.
During that